Boulder surfing my way down this one. Oh, yummy. Wow, this has got loose since Monday. Oh, look where you're going, son. Right, it's clear, it's clear, it's clear. Boulder surfing my way down this one. Yes. Wow. Oh, the fly. I swallowed a fly. Oh, yummy. Ah. As we think it's a different trail. It's not. Nice. Back on it. Oh, the seat's gone. Right, yeah, for those that are interested in my bike and its setup and the stuff I use, it's a giant E-Rain Plus 1 2022 model. Mullet setup. At the minute running the Michelin E-Wilds front and rear. Inside we've got the Rimpack Pro, I think it's version 2 they're on now. Up top, Renthal fat bar carbon handlebars, 780 wide, XT brakes with the awesome Noah and Theo, let's see if you can see there, the Noah and Theo ceramic pads. They're really good, definitely recommend them to anyone. I go Viron electric dropper. Just swapped the battery. It's been playing up this last few rides. Is it turned on? Is it turned on? No. So yeah, I go Viron, I think it's a version 3 electric dropper. There's a little handle there. Def grips. Box 38s with grip 2 damper, Performance Elite. Float X2 Performance Elite. And that's about it. Cheap ass Clark's 12-speed cassette that I changed. Some cheap ass eBay special purple chainring, gone from a 36 to a 34. yeah, that's it. Charged spoon salver as well. Pretty boring. Oh, actually, saying that, it's got the Hope Fortis 30 rim on the back because I cooked. Got a massive dent in the. It's still got the original Giant on the front, but I put a massive dent in the whatever the Giant model is. So this is off my analogue with the Hope Pro 4 hub XD driver, which is much easier to when it comes to changing cassettes with an XD driver because they're all just one piece cassettes. So yeah, for those of you that are interested. Oh, one last thing, leak-proof Horizon flats. And I'm back on the Praxis cranks. So yeah, if you're interested, that's about it. It's not very exciting. Turn her on.